This is how you can win that Ferrari behind me and $30,000 in cash. Step 1, head to LGNDSupplyCo.com, browse our wide variety of products such as hoodies like this or sweatpants like this. Step 2, once you've decided on everything that you want in our store, add to cart, and keep in mind that once it's in cart, you'll find your total entries there that you're gonna get for your order. Step 3, once you reviewed your cart and made sure that you have the entries that you want in your order, check out and your entries are automatically submitted into LGNDV to win that car and this cash. All right, so LGNDV ends on March 6th. And don't forget, we will be running promotions such as 1 times, 2 times, 5 times, and even 10 times entries. So if you want to get entered to win LGNDV, make sure that you're following us on social media, LGND Supply on Instagram and LGND Supply Co on Facebook. Make sure that you're following us to make sure that you get the entries you want in that car. Well, now that you know how to enter, there could be a promotion going on right now. So hurry up, get entered now, and good luck.